Hello, folks. This is Dr. DeValley, and the purpose of this lecture is it's a welcome lecture to Anthropology 101, the introduction to cultural anthropology. The course description is that it covers the basic concepts of cultural anthropology with illustrative material drawn from ethnographic studies of band, tribal, and peasant societies. Now also, this course is an asynchronous online course, and as an online course, we will use the Blackboard course management system. Students must have a York or CUNY email account, access to the internet, and use word processing software. If you have not received emails from me, that means your email address in Blackboard is not the correct one, so you have to fix it and also use it. And go see the help desk in the library to fix that. Now, this is a 3-credit online course, and you are expected to devote 12 hours per week to this course alone. On the plus side, it's an online course, and the advantages of an online course is that it's available to you 24/7, and you can budget your time to suit your schedule. And also, you don't have to spend time commuting to and from school. If you do not have Microsoft Word, you can download a compatible program for free at openoffice.org. Also, make sure you have the latest Java software on your computer so you can view the course lectures. And you can get that at java.com. It's for free. Some of the files are in PDF format, so if you need software to read them, Adobe Reader, you can get it for free at adobe.com, but you probably already have Adobe Reader on your computer, but that's just in case. Now, the learning goals for the course. By the end of this course, a successful learner will know and be able to articulate about the following: the concept of culture and its role in human adaptation, the concept of cultural relativism with respect to examining and understanding cultures other than our own, and the integration of human culture on different levels: technological, economic, social, and spiritual. In addition, there'll be some generic learning outcomes. You'll be able to understand and experience anthropological fieldwork and writing and ethnography, use of web services, and experience taking a course online. If you wonder what I look like, this is me on the left. That's a picture taken of me this past summer in Colombia. And on the right is my beautiful wife, Vicky. And that picture was taken a couple years ago of her. I think that was it was either Sicily or Sardinia. I don't recall exactly, but it was one of those two places. Now, there are 3 required books for the course: Social and Cultural Anthropology, Return to Laughter, and The Parish Behind God's Back. Um, you can get these at the bookstore or on Amazon. You can get them used. And I've also placed a PDF copy of the books on Blackboard, which you can examine to see if you wish to buy them. Also, all this information is in the course syllabus as well. Now, the required assignments for the course: there is a kinship chart of your family. There will be the midterm exam. There'll be the ethnographic field report, the comparative book report, and the research pool participation, and as well as class discussions. All of these points can add up to 108 points, but I will base your grade solely on 100 points. So this way you have an extra 8 points free, you might say, to play with. Now, papers and exams are due on or before the due dates listed in the syllabus and also in the course requirements. And late papers are not accepted for any reason whatsoever. This includes your death or the death of any family member. If you die, make arrangements with your funeral director to send your paper in. You know the due dates from the first day of class, so no excuses are possible. Complete papers before the due dates to cover for any emergencies. There'll be a kinship chart of your extended family you're required to do. It's worth 10% of your grade. And see the lecture and sample student charts on how to make a kinship chart. There will be a midterm exam based on the book Social and Cultural Anthropology. It'll be short answers. It'll contain 4 short essay questions, and you'll have a time limit to take the exam. It's worth 30% of your grade, and it'll be available to take over a 2-day period. Now, ethnographic fieldwork. You have an assignment which will be to conduct an ethnography of a coffee house. Every anthropologist collects data via the process of field study. Fieldwork involves observation, recording observation, usually a combination of descriptive and quantitative, and interaction with the people being studied. In this assignment, you become an anthropologist conducting fieldwork in a coffee shop. The assignment has 3 purposes: to expose to you and the experience, give you experience in anthropological fieldwork, to give you experience in collecting data firsthand, interviewing people, etc., and to apply principles learned in the readings and lectures to a specific situation and to write an ethnography of your study. And this project is worth 20% of your grade. See the instructions in the assignment section of Blackboard. There'll also be a comparative book report based on the 2 ethnographies we're reading. You will be paired with another student to do this as a group project. However, each group member will have to read both books. See the assignment section for instructions on writing the report and its due date, and this is worth 25% of your grade. Also, you'll need to participate in the research pool. It serves 2 purposes. It's important for students to have the chance to participate in actual research studies. And by participating in research, students can come to understand concept and ideas better. And finally, students and faculty members need participants in research studies. By conducting these research studies, faculty members are able to train students and conduct research which has the potential to help people everywhere. The research pool is worth 5% of your total grade, and for more information, go to the website listed below. There will be discussion forums in this course. They'll be open for a 2-week period, and for each discussion topic, it's your responsibility to post at least 1 comment and reply to 2 other comments made by your classmates. So in total, you have to make 3 posts on the discussion. You have to post your first comment during the first week of the discussion. Replies to the others can be at any time. These discussions are graded and they're worth 18% of your final grade. That's 3% for each discussion. You have to have a minimum of 3 comments per discussion to earn points. There's no partial points given. There's also a couple of non-graded forums. There's the Internet Cafe. This is your place, and I will keep out of it. Students are encouraged to email each other, form study groups, etc. And it's a good place to ask each other questions in the course or to complain about me or the assignments, whatever. The cafe discussions are not graded. There's also an office hours forum. You can ask any questions you wish here, and I or one of the students will answer you. There's no such thing as a dumb question, so don't be afraid to ask anything. If you don't know it, you need to get the answer to it. Finally, the anthropology program policy on plagiarism or cheating. Plagiarism is copying someone else's writing and use it as your own. Any student who is caught plagiarizing will receive negative points for the assignment equal to the value of the assignment. For example, if the assignment is worth 20 points and evidence of plagiarism is found, then the student will receive minus 20 for the assignment. With the introduction of Blackboard 9.1, it is possible to check your work for plagiarism using the Safe Assign function in Blackboard. Any document that shows via Safe Assign to have more than 15 or 20% plagiarism is one I will examine closely. The figure of 15 to 20% is allowed because cited references to bibliographic works used will fall under copied text when it is actually not. Also, any quotations you make have to be set off in quotation marks with the page references. If the quote is longer than 3 lines, it must be indented, single-spaced, indented on both the left and right margins as a quotation. And that's all, folks. That about covers this for now. Thank you.